Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to use Spotify Taste Profile hidden feature. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. Once Spotify is open, you'll be on the main screen. From here, we can move to the next step. Now, look at the top left side of the screen and tap on your profile icon. After you tap it, different options will appear on the screen. Take a moment to look through the available options. In the Profile menu, look for the Taste Profile option. Keep in mind that this option may not be available in every region. If Taste Profile is available in your region, you'll see it here, and you can simply tap on it. Once you tap on Taste Profile, the Taste Profile screen will appear. From here, you can use the feature and continue with the available options on the screen. Now, if you want to search for a song, go to the search bar and enter the song you're looking for. You can use the search bar to find a song directly from here. You can also go to your library from the bottom middle of the screen. From there, you can access your playlist and listen to any song available in your playlist. From your playlist, you can listen to your songs and add songs as needed. So this is how you can use the Spotify Taste Profile hidden feature when it's available in your region. And that's how you can use the Spotify Taste Profile hidden feature. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Spotify tutorials.